possible to download games on MacBook? Yes, with some new update and new features on the M3 MacBook now. From the M1, M2, M3, these are the MacBooks that can play games now. M1, M2, and M3. So with this M series now, you can play games on MacBook. Note, the first one I'm going to show you guys now in this video, you can't play the game online. You can only play the game offline. So sorry about that. Maybe later I should also find a way to show you guys how to play it online by the grace of God. And also just like, subscribe, and share with a friend that wants to play games on the MacBook, or a friendly PT that he or she has a MacBook. So let's get into it. So now, the website I use personally to download games or software on MacBook for free. The name is Toxic Games. But I feel like, just to be safe, I feel like you need to have a VPN on. Like right now, I'm turning back on. I have a VPN on, so I use VPNs to download the games, whatever. So if you go to PC, if you are using PC too, it's also good for PC too. So let's go to Mac. So software wise, you can find any software you need. Adobe, DaVinci Resolve, Studio 20, any stuff. But today we are concentrating on games, so let's get into it. So when you click on games, under games, click on Mac. So look for a game that you want. Like they have Noah, they drop some new games though. So now, so let's look for a game to download, because recently I downloaded God of War and I'm done with it, because I don't know why it's not showing, but let's leave that. You can find some unnecessary weird games here. Honey Select, Genesis Order, Done For Me, Beauty, Honey Select, The Beast. You can find any games you wish to download. See what you have to do, just click on the game you want to download. You click on it, so it's load up. Click on free download. So let it load up. Now the setup file is preparing. So this has to just download the game, simple. Now we don't need it, we have to go back again. Okay, that's showing now. So download link. Cancel this. Wait for it to load. It's loading. You can. I'm not a robot. No. This is why I use VPN, because there's a lot of ads that just keep on popping up. So let's click on download. Now the game is downloading right now. Now the game is downloaded right now. So this is an easy way to download your games, but I'm going to show you guys how to play it, because it's really easy. What you just have to do, once it's done installing, the way you install your software on MacBooks, when you're done installing, you click on it, it's open like you see this stuff. So you just drag it to the application center. Once you drag it to application center, you wait for it to finish loading and installing, and that's it. That's all you just need to do. And after that, you can just play your games. If you encounter any problems, there's always a video there to fix the issue. So that's how to play your games on MacBook. Note, these games will be playing online, you'll be playing offline, so just only you and you only. So this is just the best way to play your games on MacBook. So yeah, the next video I'm going to show you guys how to play games online. There's some new software that came out on MacBook, so I'll look for a way. I don't know if you guys are interested. I'll look for a way to find it for free, but if you cannot find it for free, I'll just have to pay it and show you guys how to use it to download the games and play the games online, like Valorant, Call of Duty, Diablo, all the stuff. So okay, it's almost done. So I think I'm just going to show you guys how to install the games like this once and for all. Okay, I click on open folder. Bring it down here, so that you double click on it. Now, so this is the game, and if you encounter any problem, this is a fix and this is a readme. So the game, just drag and drop it in your application folder. As simple as that. It's going to start loading it. It's loading it. So 2.58 gigs. Some are very, very big, so you just need to have an external storage to put it or something. So it's loading. It's almost done. Because recently I changed my system from Windows to MacBook, so I've been missing some games. So I found a way to play, so I decided to share with you guys. So this is the game. So you click on it. Enjoy. So the game is loading. The game is loading up. So that's an easy way to play the game. Note, if the game has some issue, it always gives you a fix to use. So that is an easy way to do it. I'm going to show you guys the game. The game is playing now. Application.
12 seconds later.
Oh, sorry. So this is how the game will be. Let's fade it in. So this is the game. You can start. So this is pretty much how to play a game on your MacBook. Simple and easy. You don't need to stress yourself much. Just know the game might take you some time to load up for the first time. So that's